Here's how to design a vintage-style jersey in Canva from scratch. Open Canva and go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type T-shirt mockup and find a blank shirt template you like. Drag it onto your workspace and resize it to give yourself enough room to work. Go back to Elements and search for jersey designs. Browse through the stripes, sleeve accents, and patterns available. These details give your jersey that classic vintage look. Drag and drop your chosen elements onto the mockup, adjust the colors to fit your style, and layer them until the design starts to come together. For the finishing touch, go to Elements and search for jersey logos. Find a crest-style icon or sports graphic that suits your design and place it on the chest area of the jersey. If you have your own logo, upload it directly to Canva and position it wherever you want. Adjust size and placement until everything feels balanced, then download your finished design. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.